Hello, my name is Janine Bennett, and I am the author of a new report from Estyn that explores the role of the lead worker within the context of the Youth Engagement and Progression Framework. The Youth Engagement and Progression Framework is designed to help young people access education, training, and employment opportunities, and at the heart of it is the role of the lead worker. Our research identified many examples of positive practice, and the report includes cameos from a range of organisations and partnership approaches across Wales. However, the report also identified a number of recommendations for the Welsh Government, Careers Wales, local authorities and other partners who are involved in supporting young people. We also identified a need to develop methods to assess the effectiveness of efforts to prevent young people from becoming NEET. These methods should include long-term evaluations and not overly rely on initial destination survey data. And finally, all partners need to support the professional learning needs of lead workers across all agencies, and this should include sharing best practices in providing lead worker support. I would like to thank all those who engaged with us and contributed to this report. If you would like to view the full report, please visit our website at estyn.gov.wales. Thank you.